Hello family, welcome to Lady Cleo's Food Hospital. Today we'll be putting together a very delicious African delicacy called OFE NSALA, thickened with Achi. Oh yes, you may be wondering, what do we mean by OFE NSALA? In English it's called white soup. I know that you're salivating already. In the meantime, like, comment and subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. So let's get cooking. For our ingredients, we have hot leaf or uziza leaf, we have panla fish, we have dry catfish, goat meat. I love to use chicken or goat meat for this soup, but feel free to use any protein of your choice. I equally used Achi as a thickener. Next time I would show you how to use yam to serve as a thickener. Not forgetting my personal favorite called ojojo. Yeah, for that aromatic experience. You may want to know what that is, so stick around. In our next video, as usual, the major ingredients will be explained so you can fully understand and appreciate what we are eating. First, we have to prep our proteins. As you can see, I washed my dry catfish with cold water and salt so that the fish will not scatter and it will retain its taste. Then set it aside. I used goat meat for this soup, and guess what? It was a female goat meat, and trust me, you know females are very tough, so it has a very tough skin. But then I washed it with salt and water as many times as possible, so feel free to do as you wish. Then I added my magical liquid tenderizer, oh yeah, called oh my god. And of course I added other spices to the meat and I cooked it together. Then add your dry catfish and panla. After a little while, bring it down and set it aside from the cooking broth so you don't get it scattered. Our meat is so soft thanks to the with no taste alteration, very important. So if you missed the class on do well to check other videos in the channel. Next, add more water to the broth. Remember, it's white soup. It does not require oil of any form, which makes it perfect for people who, for medical or personal reasons, are asked to stay away from palm oil or oil in general. I added my crayfish to the broth, then the blended pepper. Feel free to use any pepper of your choice. I had to buy the unblended Achi and blended it myself. Reason being that when you go to the market, what you will mostly see is Achi that has been mixed with palm oil, and we don't need that for our soup. So to avoid lumps with the Achi, I added cold water to it, turned it, and then poured it into the boiling meat broth. Add your ojojo at this point. Cover and allow to cook. Achi makes the soup very thick, so add in bits to get your desired texture. I love mine very light. Meanwhile, did I also tell you that this soup is very good for lactating or breastfeeding mothers? Now you know. Add the already cut washed hot leaf. Use any leaf of your choice, but for this soup, the best is usually hot leaf. Some people use utazi. Oh, fine, just use any vegetable of your choice, but I used hot leaf because it gives it, there's this taste this leaf gives to the soup, and it's hot for a reason. It's very unique. It's a unique vegetable. Then going with your proteins. For our proteins, I used small snails, those tiny ones you get at your backyard. Don't ask me how I got it anyway. Then I added the shelled periwinkle, kanda, dry catfish, smoked panla or hake fish. That's what it's called in English language, hake fish. Panla is hake fish. That's an additional bonus for being in this channel. Then our goat meat. Also, by the time you're done with this, cover it a little bit, and then our white soup is ready for consumption. As noted earlier, we would tell you the health benefits of the major ingredients. So remember to subscribe, like, comment, stay tuned, turn on your notification bell so you know when we drop the next video. This remains Lady Cleo's Food Hospital. Bye for now. I love you. And please don't ask me my house address so I won't share this soup with you. This is your hot leaf. This is what it looks like. See the back. I have already plucked it from the stem and I'm going to cut it into the shape I want.